Rahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtarkiani. Today our technical session is about the waterproof concrete. So before going ahead, I will just request you to press the bell icon, subscribe and like and share the videos instantly to receive the next videos. So let us go to the subject. Waterproof concrete is an impermeable concrete used for a long-lasting, durable, watertight construction. Water impermeability is determined by fulfilling the requirements of limit water permeability through the concrete itself, the joints, installation, and parts and the cracks. So what does waterproof mean? Waterproof mean is the capillary absorption versus the pressure permeability. How we can ordinary concrete can be a waterproofed by using a special admixture. So only the admixture it can make the concrete waterproof along with the additives, which is the slag cement, GGPS, and the microsilica cement. But also all of these ingredients have the combination in order to get the strong bonding and internal structure should be more close. So superplasticizer for the waterproofing is recommended for the admixture. Were asked about to submit the admixture. Companies should ask to submit their products for the testing. At least 15 tests can be done on the randomly in order to analyze to reach to the point that which one product is recommended for the waterproof concrete. So once the results of the 15 admixture is get it, and then we can select the best one on this based on the performance of the testing. So and the observation, the different admixture trials and the select upon the performance in the result of waterproofed, watertight, damp proof. If we are not concerned about the dampness or the high humidity levels, the watertight is fine. If, for the example, if we have truly dry basement or tunnel or corrosion resistance, the structure should be waterproof. The most important point for the reinforced concrete structure is a design and built the waterproof properly in the first place, as there is a little points in having a design life started the 100 years. So if it is like that, the concrete life is designed for the 100 years. So first 10 years, there will be no repair will come. So after 10 years, small repair will come. So it means that our concrete is the waterproof, well waterproof. Waterproof, watertightness, and damp proof. If we are concerning about the dampness or the high humidity level, the watertightness is fine. If the example we want a truly dry basement or the tunnel corrosion resistance structure, then we need to be a concrete in a very strong position, should be a waterproof. Instead of make the waterproofing itself, concrete itself should be a waterproof. The most important point with the reinforced concrete structure is a design and built. The structure is properly fine placed, as there is a little point in having a design life started 100 years and cover the whole scenario in order to make the concrete very strong and bonding, very strong, and water absorption and the water penetration should be less than the required limits. The admixture, which is the pozzolan, is having the property to resist to passage the water in the lean mass concrete mix. But generally, in order to the rigid concrete, make the rigid concrete, the effect of the water will be the tightness until used a deficiency of degradation of the sand and can be used. But before that, the material must be in a proper envelope. The voids in the cement paste caused by air entrainment and so small are so small that do not adversely affect it with the water tightness. Air entrainment concrete is a more workable and the cohesion and does not segregate or bleed much more as per the regular production. The admixture will increase the strength and water tightness as well as the workability. Most portion of the non-water cement ratio should be selected on the basis of strength, workability, create interior dams, thermal properties, and the volume change requirements. That should be gravity walls established individually for the such structures. So, design-based will provide the confirmation about the water tightness and the impermeable concrete and very slow penetration. It will not go to the up to the required limit. It is very strong impermeability and properly all the ingredients are enveloped in accordance to the trial mixed design which is approved. So apart from that, there is another provision also. Waterproofing can be made by the concrete. It is by using the waterproofing membrane. But if the concrete itself is a waterproof, then application of the waterproofing membrane is the secondary option. It depends upon the soil description and the specification of the projects and whatsoever. So this is the waterproofing concrete, how we will make the waterproof concrete, which is very necessary for the concrete aging, and it's protect the concrete structure since beginning to the end, very long life and long durability. So this was the brief about the waterproofing concrete. So next time we will see each other with another new subject. But still we are in the concrete session. Another maybe 2, 3 or 5 or more session, and then we will go to another material. So thank you very much and have a nice day and see you again.